man true and bold, champion of the fandango. By night he drank whiskey, by day killed bad men, and the townspeople knew him as Rango. Coming down the mountainside, the people hailed his name, and of his legend they sang.